Hi, I'm Steve Wright. I'm a puppeteer from West Yorkshire and I'm up in Skipton this week as part of the Skipton Puppet Festival, and their outreach programme has meant that I can come in and deliver some masterclasses for local creative students.
Yorkshire pudding and syrup?
What I'd like the students this afternoon to discover is that puppetry can be very charming, and even with the simplest of ingredients, someone could make something that could actually have a charm of its own. You want to be a performing artist, maybe puppetry is another string to your bow that might add some interest and some value and some breadth to your career. A grown man making a career out of a frog puppet? Nah. Yes, Jim Henson.
I don't know, what do you think?
There's still a really nice breed of artists and creatives that take people to other worlds. That's what puppetry does best. And I think the skill of a puppeteer sort of does that and brings a character from nothing into something alive, perhaps.